As-salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. In today's lesson, I'd like to show you how we can change the colors and properties of elements after we made detailing. For this one, I have this 3D view, but I don't want to see like this. I want to, for example, separate the beams in a color, the plates in a color, and the balls in another color, and the and the grids in another color. So how we can arrange this? You can just select everything and right click, go to advanced multi-edit, and what we want to edit here. As you see here, we can change the label properties, beam properties, plate properties, bolt properties, hole properties, and grid properties. Let's first start with beam properties. As you see here, the beams is like in this color, so I want to be maybe something white, just like this, or I can use whatever color that I want. So let's just this one white, and what I can do, I can visible hidden lines of the beams. As you see now, it's not visible. Just let me close this one, and it needs to update the detail. Just click here, and now you can see the hidden lines of the beams. So by this way we can modify the properties of the beam. Let me finish this one, and after that we see, and we will see the difference. As you see now, there's hidden lines of the beams and visible lines of the beam, but we don't need like this. So just you can just another one, select everything. Okay, select everything and right click, advanced properties, beam properties, and hide hidden line color. After that we can visible system line of the beams, or center line of the colors, and whatever helper line, or from this one symbolic properties, we can cross sectional color. We can present everything that we want. We can make it hatch. Okay, when we have hatch, we can make hatch color, and also we can make a revision for this one. So just let me close this one and update detailing another time, and we see. Sorry. For this time I want to change the color of the plates and the color of the bolts. Why we make these? As you see, it can give us a better vision of drawing it, and it will be so nicer than before. As you see, just like this. Now I want to change the color of the beams, so right click, advanced multi edit, for this time plate properties. I want to change the color to blue. Another time, for this time bolt properties, I want to make it at red. You see, and for this time sorry, I have to select only the advanced steel advanced steel elements, and after that grid properties, I want to make the color of the grids like something like gray. This one may be good. And text color, I can change the text color here. We change this one. Also I can change this one for something like cyan, or green, or yellow. But I don't suggest you to use yellow, because yellow, it will not be for printing, good for printing. We can just use like this, or Again, we can use the same color, which is gray. Okay, so this is the beams that we have. Now it's more clear that the plates we have yellow, blue. When we have blue color, so we know this is a plate. Okay, so let me show you the difference between them. Right click, and this is the first time which everything is one color, and this is the second one. After modification we get this drawing. Of course this drawing is more nicer than this one. So hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you very